With Apple introducing wireless charging in the latest iPhones, there has been an upsurge in the popularity of wireless chargers recently. But is it worth shelling the extra cash for a wireless charger instead of using the wired one provided in the box? Let's find out. Here's a quick rundown of how wireless charging works. There are two main types of wireless charging, PMA and Qi wireless charging. I'll be mainly focusing on Qi wireless charging, as this is the standard used by most mobile devices. Qi wireless charging is achieved through the transmission of a magnetic field from a coil within a wireless charging pad. When said magnetic field is received by the receiving coil inside the mobile device, it produces an alternating current and leads to the mobile device charging without a wire between the power source and the mobile device. Without further ado, here are 5 reasons why you should avoid wireless charging. The first reason to avoid wireless charging is that a wireless charging setup produces a lot more heat than a regular wall charger, causing the battery inside the phone to deteriorate quicker, thus lessening the lifespan of your phone. Reason number 2. Wireless charging is slower than a regular wall charger. This correlates with the first point, that a wireless charger does not provide the same output as a regular wall charger. This is mainly due to thermal restrictions limiting the output. Number 3. Wireless charging does not work through metal, and this has led to many phones, such as the iPhones, to transition from a metal back to a glass back, which allows wireless charging. But this has led to many phones becoming less durable. Now, for the less major drawbacks. You can't use your phone while it's charging, due to the fact that the wireless charger and the phone are meant to be in direct contact with each other. Last but not least, wireless charging is heck a lot more expensive than just using the wired charger that comes in the box, cause it's free. And in the end, drawbacks of wireless charging compared to a wired charger is what really bring about its downfall. Perhaps in the future, when the devices can be wirelessly charged from a distance, or the wireless chargers just become faster, the thought of spending more money just doesn't feel right. Those are just my thoughts. Let me know yours in the comments below. And also, don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and consider subscribing for more videos just like this one. And if you didn't like this video, then go ahead and hit that dislike button twice. Anyways, this has been Mohammed, and I'll see you in the next video.